Hello, my brother was just talking on the phone with me. He lives in Houston, Texas. And I told him I was enjoying being nice and warm inside, but he said I should go outside and have a snowball fight. So I'm just gonna go outside real quick and see how it is out there. Oh. It's actually pretty quiet. Wow, it's pretty deep snow though. You can see the car here. So the snow is drifting. Snow is going up to my shins right now in spots. Oh. So this street is being plowed. My own street I don't know if you can see the difference, but quite a big wall of snow there. And it's really piling up where the plow pushed it off to the side. I don't know if I'm supposed to be out here right now, but it's been pretty quiet so far. I could try walking on the sidewalk. Just gotta get through this bank of snow. Going into my knees almost. The snow is not good for snowballs. It just falls apart instantly. Here's a wind snowdrift. Snowdrift made by the wind. This is pretty cool. And it's pretty cold out here with the snow, which is still falling pretty heavily. My nose is getting cold because that's what's exposed. But if I cover up my nose, then my glasses fog up. so I can't see. I'm essentially whiting myself out, which is great. Not. Ooh. Thought that was a dog for a second. It's just a sculpture. Forgot to turn on my headlamp. Snow is almost up to my knees here. Maybe you can tell. No, not quite, I guess. So just walking around the block, my glasses have fogged up so much that I can barely see. So, answer to having a snowball fight? No thanks.